Okay, you gotta tell us. You gotta talk to us. Mommy and Daddy need to know what you want. What do you want? You gotta use your noises. Use your noises. Yes, what else? What else? You were telling me some good stories. I want to hear them. Okay? What else? What else, Bunny? What else? Don't get transfixed by the camera. There's no more time for that later. Now I just want you to talk. Say hello. Say hello. Your smile. Come on, Sweet Pea. What? I know you can talk. You've been talking all day. Open your mouth. There we go. Talk. Say, my name is Jack, and a lot of people in this house think I'm pretty great. That's the word? Yeah, that's the word on the street. Aww. Check out this beautiful baby boy. This beautiful baby boy. Yeah, what else? You're just doing some aerobics. Tell me about your aerobics. You like the kicking? You a fan of the kicking? Are you a fan of the arm flailing? Yes. Random arm flailing. Yes. Let's say. Okay, I understand. What else?